So, energy symbols for blessings and for doing oracle readings is another popular workshop in the August energy camp. And I'm really looking forward to this one. We're going to use, if you haven't already, create a symbol set of energy symbols on stones in preparation for the class. And then we're going to be using these symbols to connect deeply with ourselves into the energy realms of our supermind. And we're going to use these symbols for doing oracle readings. So an oracle is where normally you would go to get insight, like have a tarot reading if you like, but the energy symbols are much simpler and positive energies. So the readings that you'll get, unlike the tarot, which are very complex energies, are very beautiful and very safe for us to use and to work with. So we're going to teach you how to do symbol reading for yourself, to get insights into a situation or a question that you have in your life. And we're going to also show you how you can get the confidence to do a symbol reading and be the oracle for somebody else in their situation as well. So practice for channeling, practice for overcoming your fears of what, if you can say what comes to you or not, and to trust that your energy mind has got the right energy solution or answer or insight for the person that is asking the question. So a little bit challenging, but feels wonderful to do and very helpful. And playing with your set of symbols is always good fun. So this, and then we'll finish that one with blessings inspired by the symbols as well. So you can learn how to do blessings, and you do that with our group that we're in. So another fabulous workshop for the August Energy Camp. I hope you're going to be joining us.